friends. It will be fun to write.
Hello children. Welcome to my channel Let's Learn with Monami. Hello Monami.
Hello teacher.
Say hello to your friends.
Hello friends.
Get ready to write with Monami. Today we will learn few more line letters. But first, let us color this engine using sleeping lines and standing lines. Children, are you ready with your crayons? Red sleeping lines to color the engine. Blue standing lines to color the cab. Purple standing lines to color the chimney. Now, let us attach the wheels. Your engine is ready. Today, we will learn to write capital letter E and capital letter F. Are you ready to turn the lines into letters?
Yes.
Capital E, big E or uppercase E. Sound of the letter E is eh. Eh as in elephant, eh as in envelope, eh as in engine. How to write uppercase E? Start from the top, draw a standing line to the bottom. Again, from the top, draw a sleeping line to the right. Now the second sleeping line from the middle to the right. And the third sleeping line from the bottom to the right. Let us write it once again. Now, it's your turn, children. Join the dots to write letter E. Letter E.
Letter E.
Capital E.
Capital E.
Now join these dots again to write letter E, uppercase E.
Uppercase E.
Well done. Capital letter F, big F or uppercase F. Sound of the letter F is as in fish, as in fruits, as in football. How to write uppercase letter F? Starting from the top, draw a standing line to the bottom. Again to the top, draw a sleeping line to the right, along with a short sleeping line in the middle. Let us do it again. Now, it's your turn. Join the dots to write letter F. Capital F.
Capital F.
Again, join these dots to write letter F. Uppercase F.
Uppercase F.
Good. Well done, children. Children, hope you have enjoyed today's lesson. Keep smiling and keep sharing. And do not forget to like, subscribe and share the channel and press the bell icon also. See you in our next episode. Till then, bye.
Bye friends.